Welcome guys, and I think today I'm just back for yet another tutorial about Binance. And today I'm going to show you how to send and receive money, or I mean cryptocurrency, on Binance seamlessly, chargelessly, without any charge, and within just a few minutes. You don't have, we are no longer using the bank transactions that normally take days, 5 days, 10 working days to reach, 21 working days. Sometimes some banks are lazy. In this era, we are using cryptocurrency, and it's actually the quickest way possible. You can send money anywhere in any country. Now remember, the local way of sending money, or the traditional way through the banks, it kind of has some restrictions. Some people don't have accounts in banks, and even they are restricted. Some countries, you can send money in some countries if they don't have a branch there. But cryptocurrency, or using Binance to send, is kind of a convenient way where you can send money in just a few minutes in almost every country in the whole world. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to go over some details on how to send and how to receive cryptocurrency on Binance in just a few minutes, chargelessly, without any charge. So forget about the bank charges, the queues, the lines, stuff like that. So let me just log in and we start off. Now, reaching on my Binance login, I'm just going to log in using the QR code. Remember, I did a tutorial about logging in using the QR code, just to avoid this lengthy thing of email and verification. I already have the Binance app, so I'll just scan the QR code on my phone and authorize. I will link the link in the description to the video that actually I did some time back, that tells you how to log in using QR code very fast and avoid the other verification process. So I'll leave the link in the description so you can see. So I'm logged in now, and you can go ahead and start off to send money. So now, sending money with Binance, there are two easiest ways. You can send to an address, a Bitcoin address, or a wallet address, something like that, or you can send via the Binance Pay, which is actually the simplest method of sending money. So through the Binance Pay, it's actually chargeless. You can send your cryptocurrency chargeless. But when you opt for the other option of sending through the wallet address, I mean the crypto address, it's kind of, you have to incur some charges of gas. You have to pay gas, and particularly Ethereum gas is quite expensive. It might even be more expensive than the money you're sending. So let's go and expound on the two methods. So first of all, let me first show you the first method of sending via the address. So so go ahead and click on wallet. So this is our wallet here. First of all, we can first go and see our fiat and spot, and such that we can see how much money we have in our spot balance and our fiat, such that you have to be able to know how much money you're sending and how much money you're remaining with. Okay, so finally it has loaded our fiat and spot balance. So at this point, you can go ahead and you see I already have 1 point something dollars, so you can either pay or transfer or withdraw. So when you're sending to a wallet, you just withdraw to that wallet. So you just say withdraw, and on the options of withdraw, make sure you choose coin. So you have to select which coin you want to withdraw. For example, if you're withdrawing Bitcoin, it's already selected. If you're withdrawing USDTs, you choose USDT. If you're withdrawing BNB or Binance coin, you choose Binance coin. But in this case, I only have USDT, so I will choose USDT. I will withdraw USDT to the address that I'm being given to the receiver. So after choosing the coin that you're going to send, now you have to enter the address. Now after entering the address, you come over here and choose the network. There are very many networks that you can use, but the most common network is actually the BSC, which is the Binance Smart Chain. But the only trick with this network, you must first confirm with the receiver and make sure that his platform or his platform that he's receiving from, it must be compatible, or it must be supporting the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so you can choose. You can see that every network here has its own time at which the money is going to be received, or the crypto is going to be received, and also the charge. So if you choose BNB or the Binance chain, you will be charged a fee of 1 USDT, which is approximately $1, and the money will arrive in approximately 2 minutes. So if you choose Ethereum, just like I told you, Ethereum charge or Ethereum gas is kind of expensive. The money will receive late, which is in approximately 3 minutes, but again it will be kind of expensive. Now imagine you're sending $15. You won't be able to send $15 when you're being charged 24 USDT, which is approximately $24. So the other networks are kind of, now this BSC, which is kind of the most favorite, it kind of has a, a reduced charge on sending, and also it's a little bit faster, so money arrives in about 1 to 2 minutes. So I think most cases you can choose this. If you're sending BNB or Binance coin, it's recommended you use Binance chain. If you're sending other coins that are, but also the platform that support Binance Smart Chain, you can use Binance Smart Chains. So you can first verify whether it's actually supporting Binance Smart Chain, and then later you can continue. So here, after choosing the network, you go ahead and put the amount that you want, and then you can go ahead and send. But this is kind of a costly way of sending, so that's why I never wanted to go into this. Just like you saw, there is always a charge per network you use. I would recommend somebody, if you're sending, I would recommend that you come for the Binance Pay. Okay, so going for the Binance Pay, apart from withdrawing crypto to another coin, so another address, so that would be one way of sending. You withdraw to another address. So an address is like a kind of a chain or a string of characters mixed up, letters and numbers and other special characters that really represent somebody's account or wallet. So when you send through that that address, you will be sending to somebody's wallet, the one who is responsible for that address. So now the most recommended way of actually sending, you can transfer, but the most recommended, the one where you can send chargelessly, which is actually the okay, so now we're here at Binance Pay. So we want to send through the Binance Pay. So you can either use an email. The receiver will send an email that he or she used to open his Binance account, and you just input the email here. It will capture his name and the P address, and then you will be able to send. Alternatively, you can as well use the phone number that he used to sign up for Binance account, and you will be able to send the money. And last but not least, which is actually the best way, is by Pay ID. So you input the pay as a receiver, the recipient's ID, and ultimately we are able to send in just a blink of an eye. So let's try paying via ID. So you put the receiver's ID. Let me just get one of my receiver's ID, the one actually I'm supposed to be sending money to. So after inputting the payer's the receiver's ID, you kind of continue to click on continue to the next step. So now you go ahead to choose the coin, but as per now I only have USDT, so I just have to choose USDT. Now you can see it will bring the name that is assigned to the pay ID, and you can confirm the name with the receiver. So you just come here and put the amount of the USD that you're sending. I only have 1 point something USDT, so I will just send the same amount. In my spot wallet I have 1.1 okay, 1.1 something. Normally we have an option of saying max. I don't know why it's not available. I send that. So you can also include there's an option of putting a note, so you can put a note, maybe to show him that you paid, maybe that's the payment, something like that. So you go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so now it brings a confirmation message. They need you to confirm that you're sending 1.17 USDTs to Sakwil. This is the name, and so it kind of brings a summary of whatever you've been putting through. The payment method is Spot Wallet. And then all you have to do is to go ahead and click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, you have to confirm with a PIN. Now normally when you're creating a Binance account, you are required to put some PIN. So once you put your PIN and click on confirm, automatically the coin will be transferred from one wallet from your wallet to the paying address. So you can see that successfully I've paid 1.117 USDT to Sakwib. So Sakwib will be sending me an email confirming that he has received the money in just a few minutes. Okay guys, that's how you can send money seamlessly, chargelessly through the Binance Pay portal, and that's all. So I will be putting the link for how to log in using QR code in the description, and also please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials about Binance, and I will see you in the next video.